Now we're going to go explore this desert a bit and going to go across tons of dunes and stuff. It's going to be pretty nice. We have a couple of interesting places that we're going to visit. And yeah, stay tuned. So we have stopped at this absolutely amazing dune with this amazing view. The sun is getting low. It is like almost sunset now, and this at this time the desert just looks the best. We're getting shaken around. Pretty much done setting everything up. Now we're making some coffee, getting some stones for a fire, and yeah, just relaxing overall. Though the sun is down, it's like past that little dune thing. We still have enough light to see and to work to set up our camp. So my mother is just boiling some water for the coffee. Putting a little bungee cord around it so that the wind protecting tin thing doesn't just fly off and fall down, which has happened a couple times. Oh, there were three. You know. We made a little fire pit over here. It is pretty windy, so we're just moving the car so that it helps cover our cooking area, sleeping area, and our sitting area. Coffee is ready. A bit closer. The wind has decreased, so now we're making a campfire. Yeah, there's plenty of that actually. I don't need the torch because we have another torch over here that's like the lantern. Yeah, sure. Getting the fire ready. We're in kind of like a lake-ish area, so we can't dig a hole, but we have plenty of rocks that have like fallen down. Don't worry, we're in a clear area. They fall down, they stop around there. After that, there are barely any stones, and especially not any big ones, so we're gonna be safe. Yeah, we have some shavings and stuff. Putting some sanitizer, our little magic ingredient. The sanitizer on fire. It's blue. But the bark is also catching on fire. So basically the tiny shaving things, that's basically all the bark stripped off a whole log of wood. So that is... Actually, it's a ton, because like the bark has many little layers, and once you take it out, there are like many tiny sheets, and the sheets which are underneath the main bark are what we're interested in. Have a nice and warm campfire all ready. Soon it's going to become cold and we're going to be able to cook our potato. It's cut in half so it cooks quickly. Some sweet potatoes. Yep. But for now, the warmth of the fire. So now all of the wood has become coal. So we spread the coal around and we kept our sweet potato, our potato, and an onion. So yeah, it'll take a while for it to cook. It's pretty enjoyable. The wind has died down now. The food is cooking. We're just relaxing